Today we are learning alphabets and phonic sounds. Like and subscribe Riya and Monu channel. A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for egg. F is for fish. G is for goat. H is for hat. I is for ice cube. J is for jar. K is for kite. L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for nose. O is for orange. P is for pot. Q is for queen. R is for rose. S is for sun. T is for train. U is for umbrella. V is for vegetables. W is for watch. X is for Xmas tree. Y is for yellow. Z is for zebra.